Assalamualaikum to all parents and students. Today we are doing polygons. Our topic for today is polygon shapes. Page number 48, 49, 50 and 51 of your number book. Let's start our work, but before we start, let's see what does the word polygon mean. I'll have to shift my camera a little bit over here to explain it to you. P-O-L-Y, poly, G-O-N, gone. Poly means many and gon means angles, meaning many angles, many sides. Okay, so what are polygon shapes? What was the first shape that you drew with your hand, and that was a polygon, but you did not know that because at that time you were just learning shapes. What was the first one? Alright, you see, as I told you, angles. And what are polygon shapes? Meaning block shapes are those shapes that you can draw on lines. That is why they give you this different blocked lined page, so that is so it is easy for you to write your sums, write your spellings, write your numbers, and also make your shapes, right? So actually, in reality, polygon shapes are made on lines, meaning the shapes that can be made on lines. For example, so that means if they are drawn on lines, so that means that they are straight. Polygon shapes are straight always. So the first one you can say can be a triangle. And how many sides does a triangle have? Let's see today. We'll learn the sides. I've told you this in my previous video as well. Let me zoom in for you. Alright. So this is a triangle. We all know it's a triangle, but it's actually a polygon shape. Okay. So this is the first side. This is the first side, second side, and this is the third side. So how many sides does a triangle have? It has 3 sides. Okay. It has 3 sides. How many sides? 1, 2 and 3. 3 angles, or you can say. Alright. Now let's look at the next polygon that we did. A shape that has 4 sides equal. A shape that has 3 sides equal. A shape that has 4 sides equal. How many sides does this polygon have? 4 angles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many angles? 4 angles. So square is also a polygon. Alright. Now let's do one more over here, or we can go to that side. Okay, we have a lot of space on that side. We have done square and triangle. Alright, what about other shapes? Do you recall any other shape that has sides? One that I remember is a rectangle. You see, 2 sides equal and then 2 sides equal. How many sides in total? A rectangle also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many sides? 4 sides, 4 angles. So rectangle is also a polygon. Okay. Now let's see what two new. So let's talk about circle and oval first. You see, circle and oval are round. They are totally round, so they are not polygons. Okay. Let's see what are the new polygons that we have to learn today. One is a pentagon and the other one is a hexagon. Since we have done 3 sides and 4 sides, now let's go on pentagon. What does the word penta mean? Penta means 5. These are the polygons that have gone at the end of their spellings. Right, like triangle, square and rectangle do not have geo and gon at the end of their spellings, right? But but the four polygons that we are going to learn in this class are pentagon, hexagon, heptagon and octagon. Alright? But first we are going to do pentagon and hexagon today. Let's see. Alright. Our next shape over here can be pentagon. It's very simple. It's like a house. It's like a house. You know how to draw a house? It's simply like that. Now let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, penta, I told you penta means 5. So 5 sides, okay? How many sides does a penta have? Penta has 5 sides. Now let's look at the next shape that we are going to do. The next one is hexagon. You see, we are moving forward like a triangle had 3 sides, square and rectangle had 4 sides. Now pentagon has 5 sides and hexagon would have, can you guess? Let's see, let's draw it first and then we'll see. Hexagon is kind of like a diamond but has many, a diamond, a more clear diamond that has a lot of, that you can see more sides of. And now we will draw our hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and let me just increase the line so it's equal. 6. Alright, now let's count the sides for you for our on piece of mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sides does the hexagon have? 6 sides. I did not draw it so well, but all of the sides are equal and polygons. So it makes a perfect shape. Now we can get back to our work and we can start our work. Let's zoom out first. Okay. We're going to start writing in actual. That was all, the concept. I was giving you the concept, but let's, write it down. Hurry up and let's write the date and the day. Very quickly, it's Wednesday. W-E-D, wed. I wrote W like this, but you have to draw 2 lines, okay? So it's straight. N-E-S, ness. D-A-Y, day. Wednesday, okay? W-E-D, wed, N-E-S, ness, D-A-Y, day. Wednesday. Today is 16th. Let me just, confirm it for 1 minute. Give me just 1 second. Yes, 16th. 1/6/16 dot 12 dot 2020. What was we have to just follow your workbook the way they have written, pentagon and hexagon. Pen, how do you spell pen? P-E-N, pen. T-A-G-O-N, gone. We're going to repeat the process same, okay? Let me just, yes, zoom in for you so you can see better. Again, reading one line and writing again. P-E-N, pen. T-A-G-O-N, gone. Pentagon, again. P-E-N, pen. T-A-G-O-N, gone. Pentagon, again. P-E-N, pen. T-A-G-O-N, gone. Pentagon, again. P-E-N, pen. T-A-G-O-N, gone. Usually you will write it 4 times in your workbook. Yes, you are supposed to write it 4 times. I've just written 5 times because one time is already written for you on the workbook. Next one is hexagon. Hexa means 6. Penta means 5. And gon means angles, meaning 5 angles, 6 angles. Let's do hexagon now. And capital P, capital H. Okay? H, E, X, hex. A, G, on. Hexagon. H, E, X, hex. A, G, N, O, N, on. Hexagon. ठीक है again. H, E, X, hex. A, G, O, N, on. You see, it's going in the same sequence. Your work should be in sequence. H, E, X, A, G, O, N, on. Hexagon. H, E, X, A, G, O, N, on. Hexagon. Hexa means 6 sides, 6 angles, and penta means 5 sides, 5 angles. Now your work is complete. This video would help you. You can watch this video when you're doing page number 50 and 51. And I hope this video was informative. Thank you.